Okay, the first chain link that we're going to do is go in and create a jump ring, which is just a loop. I'm going to first take the flush cutters, and I've got an 18 gauge wire here, and I want to flush cut that so that it's not at a point. Cutting that end off so that I've got a nice little flush end right there. And I'm going to take my round nose pliers here and place the wire in between the two heads of the plier, and I want to make sure that it's not on the square side, and I'm going to take that and wrap it around, rotating it open and close until it overlaps. So we've got an overlap right there, and then I can slide that off the plier, use the flush cutter here to go in and cut a flush end on the opposite side. So I cut that real quick, set that aside, and then I'm going to take that, and with a bent nose plier, I'm going to bend that, or open it up just a tad and bring those ends together, making sure that they are flush against each other right there, and that gives me that jump ring. Now on jump rings, we always want to open them up this direction. If we pull them apart, it puts a break here at the bottom. So to put that back, I'm going to gently press that back in, squeezing it there, and then I have a jump ring. To keep it from being wonky, I'm just going to take the flat head plier and just kind of smash down on that to make it flat, and that creates a nice little jump ring.